Copying data from a web source, in other words, HTTP source, is relatively simpler. We are going to see how we can copy New York taxi data from Amazon S3 HTTP source. Let us create new pipeline. So I'll drag copy activity. In the source, I'll create a new connection, new dataset and then connection. What type of dataset is it? It is HTTP. Continue. It is going to be delimited text. So source, New York taxi. Create a new connection. Here I'm going to provide the HTTP path. So New York taxi data. Put the URL here from where you want to copy the data. This is s3.amazonaws.com, and then we have the file name as well. Secure server validation, let's make it disable because this is open. This file is openly available. We need not to validate anything. We need not to have any authentication as well. If you have any HTTP URL which requires authentication, you can provide this information or the credentials. Select anonymous. Test the connection once. Create. So this is dataset properties. We have provided name, link service is created. Let us make first row as a header, enabled. Click OK. Sync. I'm going to land the data in our blob storage. Delimited text, New York taxi. Let's keep it. So we have blob ingest layer. I'll select source as a container, file name, New York. This is year 2009 data. So I'm just mentioning 2009 as a file name. One more thing, that in the source, you can also preview the data. The data is visible. A few set of records are fetched from the source and are shown in the screen. So we are ready with our pipeline. Let us debug it. In this window, you see HTTP is a source and blob is a target. Used data integration units are 4. So this is by default auto, and Azure Data Factory decides how much DIU it should use. So 2 GB data got copied in 35 seconds. If you notice, peak connection at source is 1, peak connection at destination or the target are 3. And throughput is about 70 MB per second. Let us see the data in our ingest layer. Now go to containers. Source container. We have the file here, New York _2009.csv. This is 2.6 GB.